Question 15. Through a cellular respiration, the chemical energy stored in glucose molecule is converted into which specific molecule? That is ATP is converted into adenosine triphosphate. Also, it is turned into carbon dioxide and also water. 15b, name the substance that speeds up biochemical reaction. We have enzymes. 16. During germination and early growth, the dry weight of endosperm increases while that of embryo increases. So during germination and early growth, the dry weight of endosperm decreases while that of embryo increases. Explain 2 marks. Is that food stored in the endosperm was oxidized to form energy for the process and also form new material for growth in the embryo. 17. The diagrams below show changes in the life cycle of planting flowers. Cycle of flowering plants, 17. The diagrams below show changes in the life cycle of flowering plants. So we have this, and then we have A and B, then we have E. This is D, then we have F and G. Complete the table below by choosing the letters from the diagrams which refer to each of the stages given. So male gametophyte is part D, male gametophyte. Tube nucleus is part G. Female gamete is part B. Male gamete is part F. Question 18. State 2 characteristics of kingdom Monera that are not found in other kingdoms. Their nuclear material is not enclosed within a nuclear membrane, so the genetic material is not separated from the rest of the cell. They do not have membrane-bound organelles. Question 19. State 3 ways by which plants compensate for the lack of the activity to move from one place to another. Plants are able to synthesize their own food. Plants are able to use pollination rather than moving to seek mating partners. Plants use seed and fruits dispersed to colonize new habitats. Question 20. State 3 psychological processes that are involved in movement of substances across the cell membrane. We have diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Question 21. Name the human pancreas is not functional. Question 21. If the human pancreas is not functional, name the hormone which will be deficient. Insulin, or you can just say glucagon. Name the disease the human is likely to suffer from. It's what? Diabetes mellitus or hypoglycemia. Question 22. The oxidation state of a certain food is represented below by a chemical equation. Question A. Calculate the respiratory quotients of the food substance. So respiratory quotient is volume of carbon dioxide produced divided by volume of oxygen consumed. So 5 divided by 6, that you get 0.83 is the answer. We go to identify the food substrate, its proteins. Question 23. The diagram below shows an apparatus used during collection of a specimen. Identify the apparatus. This is a pitfall trap. What is the use of the apparatus named above for catching crawling animals? Question 24. State 2 physical factors in an ecosystem that affect the distribution of organisms. Temperature, the effect humidity, and light affects atmospheric pressure. Question 25. A DNA strand has the following base sequence. What is the sequence of the complementary DNA strand? That one. What is the sequence of the mRNA strand copied from this DNA strand? Is that. Question 26. State 3 limitations of fossil records as evidence in organic evolution. Several missing links. Most organisms, especially soft-bodied ones, do not form fossils. Exposed fossils are usually destroyed by physical and chemical withering. Most animals are preyed upon. Explain the term resistance as used in evolution of living organisms. Some individuals in a population possess genes that have undergone mutations, resulting in resistance against some chemicals. The mutations establish a population of resistance forms. State the function of the following parts of a light microscope body tube. Body tube holds the eyepiece and the revolving nosepiece. The diaphragm is an aperture that regulates the amount of light passing through the condenser to illuminate the specimen. Question 29. The table below shows analogies of gene mutations. We have the intended message and the actual message. A, we have intended message to buy me a skirt. Actual message is buy me a shirt. B, this is my intended message is this is my team. Actual message is this is my mate. C, intended message is anti-staying. Actual message is anti is straying. Identify the type of gene mutation illustrated. A, we have substitution. B, we have inversion. And C, we have insertion. State 2 sources of variation. We have mutation, crossing over during process of meiosis. We have sexual reproduction, which is fertilization, and we have a dependent assortment of chromosomes during metaphase of meiosis 1. Question 31. Name the diseases caused by each of the following. Plasmodium falciparum. This is malaria. Entamoeba histolytica. This we have amoebic dysentery. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.